another way to make a bit of money is to use, well, the crafting station, or, well, the workbench. Right now, currently upgrading it to 3. Actually, no, I'm not. Soon I'll be upgrading it to 3. Once you have 3, you'll be able to craft 2 things to make you around 130 to 140k. No problem. M995 and M61, you get 300 per craft, and it requires, well, 2 Eagle gunpowder, the green gunpowder, and 2 OFZ charge, or shells, for 300 rounds of 995, which is around 260k right now, market cost, and with like a market fee of around 1300 per bullet, you make around 100 and 160, quite a bit of rubles. M61, you get around the same, but it costs 6 red gunpowder. The Hawk gunpowder, 6 of these, plus 2 helixes, which cost around 300k for 300 rounds, and they go for 1500, which you make like around 130, 140, 150. It's really decent money. Something you can do while you have your Bitcoin farm going, your water collector, your booze collector. Well, yeah. See you in the next one.